The winds have died down a teeny bit, so Treble seems to be enjoying the snow more. Oh God, I'm sinking. It's 4 o'clock right now. Probably have about another 8 hours of snow. In the areas where there aren't drifts, I'd say we probably have about 15 or 16 inches so far. But the dogs are definitely enjoying it. When we get inside, I'm going to try, some people suggested warm bath to get the snowballs off from under Mo's fur. We tried moist warm towels. We tried, oh my God, I'm past my knees. We tried a hair dryer, which helps somewhat. And a lot of people on the Long Island dog parents suggested that we try a warm bath. So I set up the bath before we came back out. Brad and I are just shoveling new areas for them to be able to get out to go potty. We won't do really big shoveling till this is over. Luckily, there's also a stretch there they can run in because everything else pretty much is up by the knees like where I am now. So they seem to be enjoying it. Right, Treble? Momo, you liking the snow? Yay! Snow!